How to change time frame in PrimeXBT. Are you guys facing issue to change the time frame in PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, search for PrimeXBT website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, you will be able to see this chart. Now, you are looking to change the time frame, right? Just simply click on this 1 minute or this time frame icon, click on menu. After you click on menu, you'll be forwarded to this page where you can see multiple time frame like 1 minute, 15, 4 hour and 1 month. If you are a swing trader, then stick time frame with 4 hour and 1 hour. If you are a scalper, stick with 1 minute and 5 minutes. So I do day trading, I'll stick with 15 and 5 minutes. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna change time frame in PrimeXBT. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.